Okay. Here he comes.
Wait, stand up.
Here he comes.
Wait, stop.
High five, Daddy. Get the hamburger before I sit on it. Sit on it.
Okay, got it. All right.
Landed.
See, what? And he'll land, and then he'll keep going. You see, keep going. And then he'll take on off again.
Daddy!
Hang on, there you go. There you go. See him? See him go?
Yo! Oh, yeah, that is freaking cool.
So I gave you a good job.
There's the plane right over there. It just took off. So, that is freaking cool, Daddy. Daddy,
What?
you think that's cool?
That's cool.
Are we gonna get even closer?
I don't think so.
Yeah, we are. Then what are you doing? Daddy, can we please get even
One more
closer?
shot.
Sure. One more shot. Daddy, in a few minutes, I think after this is his second time, right? Of doing this. Now, keep that up.
No, not right now. Too cool.
Yo! Daddy,